good old Maryland style crab cakes. Oh. This time I did get, this was on sale, okay? I couldn't beat $5, okay? This is the Boss Claw crab meat, okay? I got 2 things of this, or the claw meat, and I got 1 regular crab lump. This is the regular lump. So what?
How much was the lump?
$2 more. I know, I'm cheap. What do you want me? I can't help it. I'm cheap, bro. I'm cheap. I can't. I'm cheap. They was on sale.
It's $4, babe.
I was not. Look, let me tell you. I was not going to pay $10 for this little ass thing. Okay, this without the sale, this was like $10, $10 or $12. With the sale, it was like $7, and I was reluctant to buy that shit because I'm cheap. Okay, but I'm gonna mix all these together. You know, you got to have the Old Bay crab seasoning. Okay, I got 2 packs of this, and I got like a half a pack in the refrigerator. I got the Old Bay seasoning, and you know you got to have the mayo. Okay, so we just gonna go ahead and mix all this shit together real quick. All right, y'all, this is what the claw meat look like. That looks pretty good, I ain't gonna lie, and it smells really good. I like the meat in the claw. Yeah, I said that right. I like crab meat, especially the claw meat. I like the claw meat, so we're just gonna go ahead and get that in there. That's the claw meat. That's the claw meat. Look at that big old piece of meat, y'all. Look at that big old piece of meat. Look at that. Look at that big old piece of claw meat right there, boy. And this right here is the regular crab lump. And voila. Boy, a mix. What you got? What you gonna say, babe? I see you there calculating in your head.
Don't break up your lumps.
I know. Just gonna mix it and kind of bind it together. Yes, you don't want to mix it to the extreme, y'all. You want to keep your lumps. So when you make your crab cakes, you still have your lumps in your crab cake, so it look like a crab cake and not like a fucking mashed potato pie. All right, that's all I'm gonna do right there. Bam. And next, look at that. Look at that big old piece of. That's a regular piece of crab meat right there. Look at that. All right. So you're gonna go ahead and add your mayo. Oh shit. I like a lot of mayo. You add this Old Bay. Ooh, baby. Oh, a pack of this is literally, why is that so dark?
It don't look dark to me.
It looked dark to me. Why did it look so? Yeah, turn that. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Calm down.
There we go. A pack of this shit is $4. That's unreal. You're gonna add your Maryland style crab cake mix. Bam. Bam. And we're just gonna stir that up lightly. Stir it up lightly. Don't want to break your lumps. And if you need to add more mayo, you can add more as you go, because you want this to start to hold like a paste. And that actually should be good. Yep, look at that. Bam. There you go. Look at that. Bam. So we're just going to roll that into a ball. Get that bad boy in the frying pan. Alright, y'all. Once you get your pan on the stove, go ahead and add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil. It could be any kind of oil. And you want to make it look like a patty, okay? See that? That's a nice patty shape, okay? Then we're just going to let that oil get nice and hot real quick. That oil should be nice and hot by now. I already got 3 rolled up, and I got Coco in my face. She smelled like, what she smell? You ain't getting none of these, sister. Hell no. All right, we're gonna throw these bad boys in there. Yeah, bam. Let's get the other ones in there nicely. They already kind of breaking up, as y'all can see. I didn't do a good job of patting them up, so let's just do this one. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna fry them bad boys up. I'll say about 3 3 minutes on each side. 3 minutes. Alright, y'all. I'm going to attempt to flip these the best to my knowledge. Let's go ahead and flip these there. Yep. Yes, that's not good. Come on, baby. Them bad boys are sliding. Come on. There we go. There we go. Bam. You don't want to overcook it. Bam! Voila. Let that cook for about 3 minutes. Alright, y'all. I kind of messed up on these, but they are fried to perfection. And I got the other 3 in there, and I got 3 more left. So I'm gonna have a good amount, man. And they are cooking perfectly, and it smells so damn good. I kid you not. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and cook those real quick because I'm hungry, bruh. Alright, y'all, I'm finally done all the crab cakes, and this is what it looks like. Y'all cannot tell. Let me grab a fork. Let me grab a fork. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Oh yeah, let me get a little piece. Yeah, nice and tender and juicy in there. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Look at that. Let's get a bite. Ooh. Oh.
I said woo, 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 woo. You said woo, 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 woo.
Oh yeah, that is good. That is freaking good, y'all. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go out. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all want to see more cooking videos, man? I'm gone. Peace.